In 2018, a data science degree was a golden ticket, but in 2026, it might be a receipt for obsolete skills. Today in this video, we are going to explore why the sexiest job of the 21st century is undergoing an identity crisis. But before that, we have to understand the problem behind this. 80% of junior data scientist's job in today's world is data cleaning and basic SQL queries. However, the conflict arises when AI agents came into the scene. They can now clean datasets, write SQL queries, and generate visualizations in seconds. Universities are still teaching the students to do this manually. So, students are actually paying to learn a lot, which actually the skill is already being automated. So, the problem here actually starts from the syllabus lag. By the time a student graduates in 2026 with a master's degree in data science, already the tools that he has learned, such as pandas and scikit-learn, would be managed by AI copilots. And this actually gives in to the redundancy of this data science degree, because the universities are not coping up with the latest technology and they're also not revising their syllabus. So then what is the solution for these grads? Obviously, they need to study data science, the core concepts, the mathematics behind it, but at the same time, to be relevant in this ever-changing data science landscape, it is important to understand the AI engineering as well. So it would be good for them to focus on retrieval augmented generation, which is also known as RAG, vector databases, and try to understand how agentic workflows are actually transforming the overall AI landscape. So for 2026, what I feel, the new AI roadmap should be focusing not only on the core and the basic concepts of data science, but also trying to understand how we can leverage agentic AI agents, and a lot other new tech which is coming up, because this is a world where tech changes every day. So to be relevant, you have to be on top of your game. In the next video, we'll talk more about how AI agents and agentic AI are different. So as of now, I would like to know your comments on this idea that whether a data science degree is going to be obsolete in 2026. Do let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. Please do also like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.